umntwana omncane so khona manje ngithola ithuba ukuthi ngihlale ebhenchini i-team ene pressure ngizoba lapha namakhochi wami we-Orlando Pirates and ngizothola ithuba lokuthi ngibone nabadlali sikhulume ngizwe ukuthi bona bazizwa kanjani ngoba khona manje zodlala neKaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi izobe dabi emnandi even though the fans ngeke babe khona lapho.
Enye into engibhekayo la mfethu kade show iTumile Khune ukuthi abakajwayeli kahle ukudlala ngaphandle kwama supporters nizobamela ngokwanele abalandeli bengekho niyasho ukuthi hayi son represent
so ba representa wena babumlefe cause thina eOrlando Pirates amajita bebayenza ama training so khona manje bamele ukuthi ngosonto bangene egroundini bayenze into ebajwayele into leyo ukuwina
ukuwina
yeah
ngiyafisa ukubuyela kwena coach yeKaizer Chiefs uMfukeng kwakunorada Mfukeng la kweKaizer Chiefs kushuthi isegazini lento le Mfukeng ngiyafisa ungitshele mfethu ukuthi bekunjani iselection nidlulephi njalo bekulula ukuthi ube champion coach noma hey nawe usebenzisa ezakhe indlela
thitshele uba neqiniso kuwe it was not that simple ukuthi sibe selected mina noPutrorisang we went through difficult challenges ama-activities we had ukuthi sikhulume nama-player e-dressing room we had ukuthi siyenze ama-interview pre-match interviews we had to do press conference of which ukuthi ilethe i-pressure phezu kwethu lebe singayiqabangi ukuthi ama-coach abaphansi kwayo masikhuluma thina sibhekele lithi hayi siyadliwa sibe-3 million coach singa-understand ukuthi ucoach undlulaphi before azongena egroundini azopha ama-player wakhe
ama-instructions ngiyanizwa kacoach ngiyafisa-ke manje ukuthi ningichazele ukuthi starting lineup sokugcina sithini umuntu uyasazi ngekhanda noma usafuna sifunde phansi ukuthi ubahlanganise kanjani abadlali bakhe phakani yaqale ngapho
bamulefe lapha ku ezimnyama ngenkani sizodlala ngeformation ye442 ukuthi sijwayele eOrlando Pirates so emapaleni sino Gunners number 1 sina uRichard Ofori defense yethu kuno WBJ kuno Tyson Hlatshwayo kuno Innocent Mayela Ntsikelelo Nyawuza no Wade Joste in the middle of the pack sidlala ngumnari kune Ben Motshwari Dion Hoto no Nonyoso Thembinkosi Lodge phambili sino uGabatino Mhango kodwa uGabatino Mhango